much stuff that can be done almost for free. People think they need money I need money. If I had money, I'd start a business. Tell me your business plan and let's find a way to do it for pennies. There must be a way. If people want it, you can sell it. You can like do that part first.
Yeah.
And you can do that with nearly anything. But yeah.
Here's a question for you then. So we've talked a little bit about how to invest money, and you've given a bit away, which is great. Slightly different views, but that's okay. Talk to me about not making money, because you don't believe in making money.
No.
You believe in taking money.
Yeah.
You're starting again from scratch. You're dumped in a random city. By the way, you know, I don't know if you've seen, I do this regularly.
I saw on YouTube,
Yeah, of course you did, right? What do? Starting from scratch, you're in London, you got nothing, you got no contacts, you're not in your war room, and you need to make £10,000. And if me and you had a challenge, let me ask you a question. If we had to make £10,000 from scratch, drops in London, in disguise, because you're pretty famous.
Yeah, I'm pretty famous.
Who's going to make the 10 grand first?
That's a good question.
I'm saying me.
Yeah, well, you've done it a few times. I've never done it before. However, you'd have to start with selling something.
Yeah.
You'd have to start with becoming the middleman of something, and you have to start by taking a commission. That's the first thing you could do. Like the London dropped in the middle of zero and doing it physically, I'm not sure. I think no matter where I was dropped, I would turn to the internet, no matter what.
Okay.
I think that because the internet's just a global marketplace, it's just so much better. I'd find somebody with, okay, so let's say I had nothing, right? I'd find somebody with star power, like you, for example. And I'd come along, I'd drop you an email and say, listen, I want to put something together. I believe I can help you sell more. I am hoping if I show you I can sell more, you'll give me X amount of commission, X amount %. I understand you have star power. You have something I don't have. You can talk in front of a camera. You can attract people. You can entertain people. What are you currently selling? You're selling this. Okay, if I bring X amount of 1,000 people, will I be able to get this %? That's what I would do. I think that if I didn't have the ability to sit on a camera and entertain, I would find somebody who does, and I would be the blood and guts beneath the show business.
Interesting.
And that's the easiest way to get rich in the world today.
So you'd find someone that's got an existing product or service.
Correct.
And then you would help them sell it and promote it.
Absolutely and utterly. That's the easiest way to get rich today, especially because commission only, nobody's afraid of saying yes to. Nobody's afraid of being saying yes to. So let me see if I have my business card with me. If I don't have it, I'm going to be a bit upset. But let me give you an example of my business card because it shows it perfectly. So I do. Here we go. So here's my business card. We'll just show the camera up. Keep this, bros, for you. But my business card, Tate Enterprises Unlimited, kickboxing world champion, master and commander of the war room.
Yeah.
Also says on the back, my unmatched perspicacity coupled with sheer indefatigability makes me a feared opponent in any realm of human endeavor, which is my saying. It's a saying from my father. But it's basically saying unmatched perspicacity, so the ability to always pay attention. Perspicacity is perception. So unmatched. I'm always paying attention to everything all the time. And sheer indefatigability, I don't become tired. Makes me a feared opponent in any realm of human endeavor. So a man who always pays attention and never gives up is a feared opponent, no matter what you're fighting against him. And then it says, I specialize in the following. Wars fought, assassinations plotted, revolutions started, uprisings quelled, smuggling, passport allocation, ventriloquist, decentralized finance, blockchain analysis, whiskey merchant, tiger taming. It goes on and on and on. The point I'm making is,
Rainmaker.
if you come to me with $1 billion and say put a rocket on Mars, I'll try.
Yeah.
Pay me. Okay. Maybe I'll call Elon and give him $900 million to do it. Maybe I'm just a middleman. But I'm the guy you can come to for anything. I'm that guy.
Yeah.
No matter what you want done, I'll get it done. I know a guy who knows a guy. And I think that kind of shows my point overall. If I had to start again, I'd do the same thing. I'd meet people who are extremely competent and extremely good at what they do. You'll often find in life there are people who are best at what they do aren't good at the marketing and sales side of things. There are so many fantastic singers or fucking painters or whatever